This is it. I will try to be a Grab delivery food driver. So the bag just arrived today, so I need to open it and assemble it. So let me show you how to assemble it. Okay, so stay tuned for a while. Okay na. So now we're going to open it and assemble the Grab food delivery bag. So this is my first time, of course, so don't expect. Okay, so just remove this. So let's see what's inside the bag. So this is the whole box. Inside are the two shirts with medium size for me. So this one, they will ask you personally before they deliver the box, what size do you want? So I choose medium size. Okay. Then it includes the bar, these sticks to make the bag stronger. So later I show you how to assemble also. And the drinks holder. Okay. And there's another bag which is for the halal food. So you are not allowed to put the halal food inside this without using this bag. Okay, so for now this one nothing, we just put it aside and let's assemble the sticks to make this box stronger. You can see it's very soft, so it needs a stick around to make it stronger. So here is, we assemble this one. So it's quite easy to assemble, not so difficult. Just remove everything. Okay, so just plug in, make sure you plug in fully. All you have to do is a cube. Stand it like that.
Sorry. So now we have the base of the cube. So I applied for Grab delivery with power assisted bicycle. So you can apply in Grab online if you don't have a PAB. You can apply with a normal bicycle or a car or a motorcycle, or just simply apply if you don't have anything. You can simply apply for Grab walk if you don't have the bike or the vehicle to use. Okay, you're almost done. So it's so easy to assemble. In just less than 10 minutes or 5 minutes, it's done.
Okay, so all you have to do is put it inside the box, the bag. Alright, it's time to put. Okay. Alright, so make sure you put it until the end, so that, because this one is already measured on the height of this. So okay, so you will see there are some patch here that you can remove and insert this bracket. So you have to put like this, seal it like that. All right. Okay, so there's another two here. You can see there's two more patches here to hold the string. So it's much easy to open the bag first. Alright. So just open it. attach it. This is just to hold the brace. So now, next is the divider. This is the divider for your drinks. As you can see, as per rule of the Grab, you have to separate the drinks with the food. So they give you this divider for the drinks. So just make sure to check on these patches, these 3 patches, because the other side don't have. Because this one should be facing on the front side of the cover. Alright, because this one will patch through the sides. These 6 patches here inside. So just put it down, put inside. And this one is just decide. It's up to you to decide how high you want to put it this one. So it will be depending always on the food that they ordered, how big is the bag that you will receive, so that you can adjust this height. Alright, so now it's ready to put. You can put the food here and the drinks here, but of course the drinks must be put in this one. So you can see, just remove this one, don't throw it away, and put this one inside. Alright, so you can put either side or this, like this. So this one is used to hold the drinks, so it won't spill inside while you are driving your bicycle, the PAB, because normally it will always shake like this. So if you don't have this one, the drinks will probably flip over inside. Alright, so this is it. You are ready. I'm ready to go. So tonight I will try to do a Grab food delivery, my first time. So we will continue our vlog later. But next, I have to show you how to put it inside the bicycle, to your bicycle. So let's see if we can put this one. Okay, so it's just like that. So you can carry this one like this if you have a bicycle, or you can just put it here behind your bicycle. So let's see if we can put this one. So as you can see, I just improvised this one. This is just because I tried earlier the bag and it doesn't fit on the bracket that I have right now. So I have to improvise to make it longer so that the pad can sit. So let us see if this bag can fit. Alright. Okay. So it look like it's okay. So we have to lock this one. So and so this is our bicycle with Garb Bag. So let's try to fix the bag. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Alright. Let's strap it. So this bag includes a strap. You can strap here. Alright. So it's quite loose, but you can tighten. Don't worry. You can tighten and you can loosen, no problem. So make sure it is secured and it won't fall down. So I have to tighten here now. Need more tightening. Alright. So our bag is secured but not totally secured. So we need to adjust more, sorry. Need to tighten more. So for extra protection, I already bought a cable to secure it more. So I have 2 cables here. I just use the smaller one. So This one you can buy outside. So I can use it now, okay? So, okay. Let's put now our blinking light. Just insert it there. And unzip again. Ah, sorry. Mommy. Ay, never mind. Never mind. I can do it. So, here it is. I just put it there. And press the button. Alright. So, that's it. At least the car following you can see you from behind. So, it can prevent an accident. Alright. So for now, I need to do my first Grab delivery. So let's go outside and pick up a customer. But before that, as per Grab rule, proper hygiene, brush your teeth, take a bath, wear the Grab Food t-shirt and pants, and wear a closed shoes, not slippers. So later, I'll show you what it looks like. Let me take a bath first. Okay. So now I'm ready to go. But before you go, you must make sure, since you are using a PIB or power assisted bicycle, we need a helmet, the uniform of Grab, which is a long sleeve shirt, a pants, and a closed shoes. You cannot wear slippers as per Grab rules, so you need to wear a closed shoes. So this is the proper attire on doing a Grab delivery. Okay, so make sure also you have to check your battery for the PAB. Make sure it's full. So I charge it before I do everything. So power it on. Make sure it's all full. So because it will help you a lot. You won't get tired doing the delivery. That's the best in having a PAB. Okay, so we turn it off again. Unplug it. And let's do our first delivery. So right now I will be going to the North Point, stand by there and pick up delivery. So later I show you how to pick up a delivery. All right, so see you later.